One of the biggest concerns we hear from clients is, how do I stop my hair system color from fading? Whether you're wearing a wig, a topper, or a toupee, keeping your hair color vibrant isn't just about looks, it's about confidence. Today, I'll share simple but effective tips to help you maintain that rich color at home. Washing. First, let's talk about washing. Colored hair tends to fade faster, so you don't want to overwash your piece. Stick to once or twice a week, depending on how often you wear it. When you do wash, always use a sulfate-free shampoo and conditioner. A great option we recommend is the Back to Natural Hydro Balance shampoo and conditioner, as well as the Schwarzkopf Color Freeze shampoo and conditioner. They're designed specifically to lock in color and keep your hair looking fresh. Second, always wash with cool or lukewarm water. Hot water opens the cuticle and makes color fade even faster. Cooler water helps lock in that shine and vibrancy. Just like your skin, your hair system needs sun protection. UV rays dull the color fast. Wear a hat outdoors or use a UV spray or live-in with built-in sun protection. For styling, always use a heat protection like the Bobo's Remy Heat Protector Spray before blow drying or curling. Air drying is best, but if you must use tools, stick to low heat setting. Lastly, use color-safe leave-in products to keep your hair soft and manageable. One of our favorite is the Wet n Wavy Freeze-Free Detangling Spray. It works great for keeping hair smooth, preventing tangles, and maintaining shine without stripping the color. And if fading becomes really noticeable, don't try to dye it yourself. Always see a professional hair system stylist who can safely restore your piece and match your bio hair perfectly. And that's it. With just a few simple changes in your routine, your hair color can stay beautiful for much longer. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more hair tips from Super Hair Pieces.